Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Today we are going to teach you Tableau. Tableau is a BI tool, and it is when you open it like this. Initially, you need to connect it to any of the data source, which can be Microsoft Excel, text file, JSON file, Access, SQL Server, Oracle, Amazon. There are so many other Google Analytics, so many servers and save sources and flat files. So today we are going to connect it to a sample data which is for a company and an Excel file. So I will tell you the initial beginning. This is the beginning class. Whoever want to continue, kindly do subscribe from the beginning till the end, critical and the more critical. We will inform you, and the whole problem will be resolved. Whoever are doing work in data. Okay, it is very fast analytical tool. So I connect it like this, Excel, and then this Excel file come here. You got my point. Otherwise, if you want to add, you can go here and then add, and this one, which we have connected now. There are three sheets in this workbook. I put one sheet for analytics. I put it here. Now it is a beginning class, so be sure it's a beginning. Okay, don't worry about it like joints, left join, inner join, outer join. We will discuss in the later on. It's a data for a medicine. This is generic, then this is the manufacturer, country, product, dosage, form, strength, volume, pack, and the sale. So how we can use it? This is the point. Okay, there in Excel there are sheets. Here also you can see there are sheets. If I press it, new workbook, there are dashboard, and also there are story. Okay, so on the first phase we are using the Tableau Desktop. Okay, this tab is for the filters. Like if you want to filter any column, you can filter it from the beginning. Like if I want some specific product, I can product, and I can filter this. I may only filter this product, like I want to work only this product, or exclude also. I don't want to the whole report this particular product. Maybe we finish it, or we are not making it, or we are not manufacturing it, so that's why we don't include it. So this is the first and very important filtration. Generally you can filter, or you can click exclude. It's mean it will get its exclude. And if you only include it, then if you have a specific list of a product, you can go here and put the list, like diclofenac or anyone. So it will filter also by list. If you want to filter, you can paste it here through Excel. Use all means use all. Okay, now the other tab, if it contains, for example, di, start with, end with, very easy. I will give you example in the later session, but right now initially I am informing you that this one is a filter. Then conditions, top, like country count should be equal to this, like total order should equal to this, or the maximum, or by formula, or top or bottom, 10 or 50. This one you can also filter from here. It's a beginning. Okay, so let's start our first sheet in the Tableau. When I open it, you will find two section on the left. The one is dimension, and the second one is measures. So dimensions are the dimensions are like country or manufacturer, but you can also convert it. Like if I want to know how many manufacturer are here, so it can be used like the dimension can be used like this, the manufacturer, these are the manufacturer. But if I want to know how many are the manufacturer, so I can use it as a measure as well, and I put it into here and say that please measure it, as a count, and it will convert into the measure. So initially, so this one, like, it can be converted to measure. The other example is, there are concept of aggregation. Okay, like aggregation, the data is, if it is aggregated, like in a very smaller form, we aggregate, we sum together, and the other is not aggregated. Okay, so for an example, let me tell you first. This one is dimension. Initially it says data type. It's a data type, we say it here, 1 minute. You can change it, the data type from here. It's a geographic role, so it's a country and region. Okay, the rest are the text and the numbers and date. Okay, now you can also change it from here if you want. You can also change the data type from here as well. Okay, yes, you can also change, no problem at all. You can go there and country. So the big thing is that if I put a country here for an example in the raw, and these are the unit sale in 2020, and I put it here in this region, it's a MENA region. Right now it is coming in a number like sum of the sale. Very easy, see? And then there is show me. Show me, I told you initial about dimension measures, and the show me is, because it's a regional like a country, that's why these two are also open. We can select it also, so it will show that these countries and their sales volume, right? And the country should be in colors. Okay, and you can zoom it and zoom out as well, or you may select this one as well. Not the sum, the sum should be the sum. Okay, actually I forgot to inform you that it's one country. Okay, and the sum should be labels. Okay, and the country should be color. One null value. There is something we can see, Egypt, this, and this one is for the background images, but I don't know why the countries are not showing into the numbers. Let me check why it is like this. If I see the added color only blue. Okay, so it is a country, but it's 1 minute. Okay, yeah, the country should be in the colors. Now it is showing, where Algeria, Egypt, this. The map is not following it up. So edit filter. Okay, look, let's reopen it. That's why Algeria is actually a country, but right now it's showing because Algeria retail is written there. So here I can say, okay, Algeria is this, Egypt is Egypt, and Africa, for example, Central Africa, and then Jordan, because the latitude and longitude sometimes, because this one he understand, the system understand that these are the countries, but they couldn't understand that which country, because the name is retail. Sorry, I forgot it. Now it is showing, like, see, this one Algeria we have done, so Algeria. Okay, there are samples you can play with it, but it is a little example. uh, for now we need to move into another form. For an example, I need the product in raws, and I need the sale for 2012, which is coming here, unit sales, and 21, okay, and 22, okay, and we need to sort it like this. So it is showing the sales of 3 years. And if you want, suppose I want the product, every product should be in a different color. This card I will show you. This card is actually, if you want to color anything, like the representation should be in color. For example, this is products, so I can put the products here. It will come into a colors, different product in different colors. If I want the product into the size as per their says, I put it in here, and it will be in the size. The maximum is wider and the minimum is not wider. Similarly, I want the label, product as a label. It will come here and it is coming the label. You know the three cards. Similarly, if I want the product in detail, I will put it here and I will go here and it will give the detail. Voltron, the unit sale, this. Similarly, if I put this one product and drag it here, it is will be a tooltip, like, see. So for now, this one, if it is a product, okay, we understand it. Now I want it by the manufacturer as well. So I put manufacturer and then show it like this, that this product, which manufacturer is manufacturing. So Voltron is manufactured by these companies. Sorting you can do it here by here. So by two, like this one and then this. If I want to filter now the manufacturer or the product, I can put it in this card. It is for the filter, and I say I want to see only the products which is from Abbott. So if I say Abbott, all Abbott is there. And Abbott, right? So I select this one, all, and 1 minute. Sorry for this one. Abbott, Abbott, Abbott. Okay, and then select and press OK. Only the Abbott. So a filtration you can do it from here. But you are showing product and manufacturer, but you want to know the only strength is 1 gram, which are the 1 gram product. Apply, it will show 1 gram product. So filtration is also very useful tool. Okay. So filtration I told you, this card I told you, and the sum. This sum which we are making, we can click here and we can change it to the average, median, count string. Okay, there are so many other like the if and formula, calculation, parameters, okay, bin, groups, so many other things we can use and we will be using. But for now on, it's the initial beginning. I told you how to connect to the data, how to filter, initially chart, and which how to drag into the column, how to filter with the filtration, which column you can use, 3 column like as a dimension, some of use as a filter, some use as a presentation of a product like Medroll, Pfizer, and this is company and these are the share. The last thing, the if you want to know the labels, you can press here. The labels are the sales are the here. There are analytics also. You can directly drag and drop, and it will give you the analytics as well. So yeah, these are the average. So these things definitely we will learn in the future. This is the first class. All of them who subscribed, like, and comment, for sure they will become expert. I will be with them till they will become expert. Okay, thank you so much. Bye.